Dear students, today we will start chapter 1 of Maths for class 3 students. In this chapter we will study how to look things from different sides. After completion of this chapter, you have to give an exam and finally you will get a certificate in your email ID. Before starting the chapter, we will quickly revise the syllabus. Chapter number 1, where to look from. Chapter 2, fun with numbers. Chapter 3, give and take. Chapter 4, long and short. Chapter 5, shape and design. Chapter 6, fun with give and take. Chapter 7, time goes on. Chapter 8, who is heavier. Chapter 9, how many times. Chapter 10, play with patterns. Chapter 11, jugs and mugs. Chapter 12, can we share. Chapter 13, smart charts. Chapter 14, rupees and pesos. So dear students, let us start learning. So we are starting chapter 1, where to look from. This chapter is divided into 3 parts. In first parts, we will study to look the things from different sides. In second part, we will study the concept of mirror halves. And in third part, we will do some practical exercises. We will take an example of Anshul's class to understand the concept of viewing anything from different sides. Let us see what Anshul is telling. Anshul is telling, our teacher told us to draw a picture of a car. We all drew the car differently. Next day, when we showed our picture to each other, we were very excited. But Anshul started laughing. He was looking at Dheeraj drawing of a car. Children, do you know how Dheeraj draw the car? Dheeraj draw the car like this. Anshul said, it looked like a small box kept in a bigger one. Then Anshul showed his drawing to Dheeraj. Anshul draw the picture of car like this. Both of them drew the pictures of the same car, but the drawings looked different. Dheeraj said he had looked at the car from terrace. Do you think his funny drawing is right? Yes, his drawing is right because he looked the car from his terrace. Now, look at the picture drawn here. How does the table look from the side? Which picture is from the top? From the top, table look like this. Here we have pictures of some items which are taken from the front side. Can you imagine if we see these items from the top, how they will look like? Let us see. Yes, they will look like these pictures. Now we will try to solve some questions here. Question number 1 is, a cat is peeping into a classroom. Can you help her find out where the teacher is? Yes, the teacher is sitting on the chair just opposite to the students. Now question number 2. Here are some pictures. Find out from where you have to look to see the things this way. This is a staircase. Can you imagine from where you have to look to see these stairs this way? Yes, you have to look from side. Similarly, in this case, we have to look from front. In this case, you have to look from top. And this is a picture of chair. You have to look it from side. And this pencil, you have to look from top. And you have to look this bus from side. Now I will tell you a very interesting story. The name of this story is Tit for Tat. One day Anima met a painter. Anima said, can you make my pictures? Yes, sure, I will charge ₹200 for it. After a while, the painter showed her the picture. He showed this picture to Anima. Anima, how do you like it? Anima said, this is the only half. The painter said, the other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror to get the complete picture. Now, can I have my money? Anima gave him a 100 rupee note. What painter said? But this is only half the money. I want 200 rupees. Now Anima said, the other half is exactly the same. So just put a mirror next to the note to get the full money. Ha ha ha. Dear students, we will study the concept of mirror halves. What is mirror halves? If a dotted line can divide any item into two similar equal parts, then each of the part will called as mirror halves. In the case of this triangle, this dotted line is dividing this triangle into two similar parts. In the case of this triangle, this dotted line is dividing it into two equal parts, but here this line is not dividing this tree into two equal parts, then it cannot be called as mirror halves. Here we have mirror halves of some alphabets. Can you find which alphabet is this? This is A. This one is C. This is H. This one is U. This is B. This is K. And here, guess the words by looking at their halves. This is H. This is O. This is W. This one is also W. This is A. This is X. C. O. O, K, E, D, D, T, C, and E. Now I will teach you how to make the mask of a cat. Take a piece of a paper, then fold it in the middle like this. In the second step, on one side, draw the figure of cat. Now cut it out using the pair of scissors. Now open the fold and make the eyes, nose and other things. In the step 5, color it and tie a rubber band on its back. Your mask is ready. Similarly, you can make the mask of this girl and elephant.